Good night, teacher and classmates. Personal information and memories of my childhood. My name is Carolina Rivera Sierra. I am 47 years old. I work at a transportation company. I am married. I am from Cucuta. I live with my family. My husband is Edgar Alberto Castillo. My daughter is Isabella. She is a school student. She is 15 years old. Your name Menino. I am happy and active woman with goals of progress in life. Memories of my childhood. During childhood, I like to play with my sister Elvira and my friends Janet and Karina. We were between 7 and 8 years old. We like jumping, playing, handball, and dolls. I also remember that we were happy to ride the bike that my father got us for our fun. We enjoy going to the river on Sunday as a family and walking the dog in the park. I like watching TV shows like comics and some novels. Beautiful memories of my childhood. Thank you. Good night.